Welcome Pisces to my channel Tarot Queen 777. I'll be doing your reading from November 19 to November 30th for love and career. So let's see what the advice cards are. Let's see what the advice is as far as your romantic life is concerned, or with whoever is the person on your mind. Take a leap of faith. Only when you're willing to step out of your comfort zone will you reap great rewards. So, do things not just in the realm of this relationship, but also in life in general. Take a leap of faith. Do things that are outside your comfort zone so that you can, widen your horizons, and really test yourself. And once you accomplish those, tasks that are outside your comfort zone, it leaves a feeling of great relief and joy. So let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, three cards in the future for your relationship and the challenge, and let's clarify each of those cards. So you have the Six of Swords, you have the Chariot, you have the Eight of Cups, you have the Queen of Pentacles, you have the Ten of Cups, you have the Four of Wands, you have the Five of Wands, you have the Hierophant, and you have Strength. And in the future, you have the for the challenge, you have the Lovers. So whatever on your mind, there's love on your mind. Lovers, okay? There's greater commitment on your mind. You're toying with the idea of, really connecting with whoever is on your mind. The Eight of Cups in the past shows that in the relationship, either someone moved away, either you moved away or someone moved away. And the Six of Swords shows that you kind of found your peace. You kind of recalibrated yourself and found your peace in the connection despite the distance. Okay, and in the present, you have the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Four of Wands. At this point, you may be communicating with this person, or there is a feeling of satisfaction, a general satisfaction in your life. In the future, expect some arguments as shown by the Five of Wands. Expect traditional equations to come into play, traditional couple equations to come into play, and strength shows that you are on the right track. So let's clarify each of these cards. You could be dealing with someone with a strong Leo in their chart. Let's clarify each of these cards. Let's see what you have in the shadow. You have the Page of Pentacles in the shadow. So right now, your career, financial matters is taking over most of your mind space. So let's clarify the Lovers. Let's clarify the Lovers. Death, Knight of Pentacles, and King of Cups. So there is a lot of emotion involved. It seems like a particular chapter in your life has ended, and there's a period of waiting right now for you. There's a little period of waiting right now for you, but you're feeling very emotional. The Six of Swords is clarified by the Four of Cups, the World, and the Eight of Cups. You've got the Eight of Cups twice. Someone has kind of walked away from the connection, or someone has moved away from the connection, and a particular cycle is coming to a close. And the Chariot is clarified by the Judgment, the Ten of Cups, and the Lovers. So you're moving towards, it's possible that there might be a reconciliation. You're moving towards, more commitment, more soulfulness. Your emotions for this person have not closed off. Okay, and you stand at the mercy of this person's judgment. The Eight of Cups is clarified by the Tower, the High Priestess, and the Page of Swords. So, the ending was pretty shocking for you when this person walked away or you walked away from the situation. It was pretty shocking for you. Okay, and the Queen of Pentacles is clarified by the Three of Swords, by the Two of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles. You have a lot of things to balance, but expect some kind of grief, things not going just the way you want it to go. Expect some kind of grief, and you have a lot to balance. This person definitely feels commitment towards you, definitely feels a great deep bonding towards you. The Ten of Cups is clarified by the Six of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. So you're moving towards, you're kind of holding yourself back, you're not expressing yourself fully, and you're moving towards a period of introspection, a period of juggling things. So, yeah. The Four of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, Strength, and the Ten of Wands. So money matters may be taking up a lot of your mind space. You're kind of worried about your finances. That must be taking up your mind space right now. So you can't really fully give to this relationship. The Five of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Wheel of Fortune. What you don't see coming in the future is a lucky period, where this person is probably going to give you the reasons for the distance, why exactly they were distant. It may not be completely, it may not be the truth, but there will be reasoning. The Hierophant is clarified by the Magician, the Eight of Wands, and the Chariot. You have a lot of major arcana cards. So, this is a very significant relationship for you. Magician, Eight of Wands, and Chariot for the Hierophant. So you're kind of manifesting something, or this person is manifesting you into their lives, and y'all are kind of moving towards an understanding. Strength is clarified by the King of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Ten of Swords. So expect a painful cycle to come to an end. Let me pick one more card. The Nine of Cups. So expect a painful cycle to come to an end and move towards stability, as far as your person is concerned. So that is all I have for you for relationships. Let's check your cards for career. I'll be picking 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future. And if you like this reading, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's pick cards for your career. What does Pisces need to know about their career? What does Pisces need to know about their career? What does Pisces need to know about their career? What does Pisces need to know about their career? Okay, things are going to look up as far as your career is concerned. You've kind of really manifested something into your life. You probably don't see it happening right now because there's like a period of transformation happening as shown by death, But you're going towards a period of greater stability, greater commitment, greater control over your emotional and your mental space. So you will reap the benefits of that in your career. In the future, you have the Nine of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. expect things to work out, whether it's a new job or a new business or anything of that sort. Expect it to work out. So that's what I have for you for career. Let's see what the Gita deck has to say for you, Pisces, for November 19th to November 30th, 2025. Okay, this card is attracting me. The Immortal Soul. So, you're going through a phase where the past, the present, and the future are all clear to you. You are able to view everything with clarity. You're able to see your past for what it is. You're able to fully immerse yourself in the present, and you kind of are intuitively feeling what's going to happen in the future. So expect your intuition to be very sharp from November 19th to November 30th. Thank you so much, Pisces. Bye. See you in the next video.